ace your exams with these 6 simple steps. If you're watching this video, chances are you have an exam coming up and want to score an A+. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to ace your exams without the stress. Whether your exam is in 2 weeks, 7 days, or even tomorrow, this guide will help you. 1. Stop wasting time on ineffective study methods. Here's the truth. You could study for hours, but if you're not actually absorbing the material, you're wasting time. Reading textbooks and watching lectures is consumption. It may seem productive, but it doesn't necessarily help you learn. To really learn, you need to digest the material. This means practicing with quizzes, doing practice exams, and teaching the material to others. Focus on understanding, not just memorizing. 2. Don't try to remember every tiny detail. A common mistake students make is trying to memorize every small detail. It's not about remembering every definition or fact. It's about being able to predict the types of questions that will appear on the exam and knowing how to solve them. Shift your mindset. It's not about how much information you can cram, but about how well you can apply what you know. 3. Stop cramming the night before the exam. We've all been there, the night before the exam, trying to review everything at once. But here's the thing. Last-minute cramming doesn't work. It's stressful, ineffective, and leads to panic. Instead, plan ahead and study consistently. Use active recall and spaced repetition to boost your memory and feel confident on exam day. 4. The learning pyramid. Study smarter, not harder. Here's where science comes in. The learning pyramid. This method is proven to help you study more effectively. At the top of the pyramid are lectures and reading, which have the lowest retention rates. At the bottom, you'll find active learning methods like practicing and teaching, which have the highest retention rates. Focus on these methods to maximize your results. 5. Get organized before you start studying. Before you dive into studying, take a moment to organize your materials. List everything you have to study: practice exams, class slides, past quizzes, and homework. Then, identify the topics that will be covered on your exam. Make sure you know what's on the test. Lastly, create a study schedule that breaks down your time. This will keep you on track and ensure you're prepared without the last-minute stress. 6. Active recall and spaced repetition, the best techniques for retention. Now that you've organized your materials, it's time to use active recall and spaced repetition. These techniques are incredibly effective because they force you to engage with the material. Instead of passively reading, quiz yourself and try to recall information without looking at your notes. Repeat this process over time, increasing the intervals between each review, and you'll retain the information much better. Ready to ace your exams? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on studying smarter and acing your exams. Good luck on your exams. You've got this.